ones I choose. And I don't wanna smile if it ain't from you, yeah. I know.
Threw it back at me, I gave her more. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them bottom jean boots.
You can do it too, believe it. I've been a buster, sexing her.
Allergic to bees, but I'd be lying if I said they weren't the prettiest thing I'd ever seen, and I think you'd agree.
Hice un pleque de cartón para mí, Paperdú. ¿Todavía no tiene nombres ideas?
But seriously, I actually have a way normal life for a teenage girl. I mean, I get up, I brush my teeth, and I pick out my school clothes.
They do it over there, but we don't do.
Secret handshake, and she loves the music that my band makes. I know I'm young, but if I had to choose her or the sun, I'd be one nocturnal son of a gun.
Paper Pets favoritos, check! Meu primeiro pet, meu último pet, o mais bonito e o mais feio. O que deu mais trabalho e o mais fácil de fazer. O que eu menos gosto e o meu favorito. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Já aproveita e curte e comenta. E comentem nos comentários qual é o favorito de vocês. Ai, gente, eu falei que o Cleitinho é o mais feio, mas agora eu tô com muita dó dele. Comentem nos comentários se vocês gostam do Cleitinho, hein? E quem já viu o tutorial dessa raposinha, já vai lá ver. Tchauzinho, galera. Até o vídeo da manhã. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Fui!
Drop it down, just wanna see you touch the ground.
Comment emojis for me to make outfits out of them. Like and follow for a bigger chance to get chosen. This turned out so cute. Finished results. Of course. With animals, should I make next? This
have a way normal life for a teenage girl. I mean, I get up, I brush my teeth, and I pick out my school clothes.
Drag my feet along the floor, then I see you. You're walking across the campus, cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend? I never want to.
Go back to what's always worked. A duo. You and me against the world, milady.
Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop.
Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama so dope. I messed around and got addicted.
Hey, there's no way without you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, there's no way without you.
Don't talk. No, no, no. Don't talk.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it though.
Welcome to your first and never Lord. It's just a little explanation of your desperate situation. You're as hard to mother's Lord. It's just a complex application to a deadly confrontation.
Talk to me, damn it, or else I'm gonna throw you in the fire!
Mira, gringa, puta, te he dicho 1000 veces que yo no hablo inglés, puñeta. I don't speak English, me cago en tu madre, tú me ves cara de Donald Trump a mí.